Congratulations on the purchase of your new LG washing machine. If you're installing or relocating your washing machine, or are wondering why your current machine is rocking from side to side, it's important to make sure it's leveled. If the washing machine isn't leveled correctly, it may get damaged or not operate properly. So here are the steps on how to level your washing machine. First, let's check to see if the washing machine is sitting leveled. Check for jiggling by pressing down on the corners from above. Make sure to check both sides. Then place a spirit level on top to be certain the washing machine is level. If it is not level, adjust the feet. There are 2 nuts on each foot, the adjustment nut and the lock nut. First, loosen the lock nut on the foot that is uneven. We recommend you use the transit bolt wrench that came with the washing machine. With the wrench, turn the adjustment nut clockwise to raise the washing machine, and turn counterclockwise to lower it. Now place the spirit level on top of the washing machine to be sure it is level. Once the washing machine is properly leveled, tighten the lock nuts by turning them counterclockwise to secure the legs. Lastly, check to make sure all lock nuts are secured. And that is how to adjust the feet on your LG washing machine. If you are installing the washing machine on a slippery surface, it may move because of excessive vibration. You should place anti-slip sheets under the feet before leveling to prevent this. Before placing them, use a dry rag to clean up any foreign substances and moisture that is on the floor. Next, install the anti-slip sheets, making sure the adhesive side is placed towards the floor. And lastly, place the washing machine on the anti-slip sheets. We recommend you install the anti-slip sheets under the front feet of your washing machine. And that is how to level your washing machine. Thank you for using LG washing machines.